Welcome back to Outdoor Skills Made Easy. We are serious about our s'mores. We're going to show you some new tips to enjoy yours. We love our sweet treats in the out of doors. And when it comes to s'mores, they're sticky and they're messy and they're gooey. And I'm really not a fan of the graham cracker. So we've put our s'mores on high gear and we're going to put them in a sugar cone. So this is going to change your life. Start with a sugar cone. Don't use the big marshmallows, go to the small ones. We like to use chocolate chips instead of a chocolate bar. They're both good, but chocolate chips, I've got some nuts, and we're gonna slice up some banana and layer that in there. So really, it's an extreme s'more without the graham cracker. Easy to hold, easy to eat. Let's get at it. Pull one out of there. Let's start with some chocolate chips. A few marshmallows, slice of banana, nuts, more chocolate chips, top that off. The secret is wrapping it in tin foil before you put it over the fire. Wrap it up. Nothing fancy about it. And of course, we're going to add more chocolate chips to the top. Now we're just going to slide this into our hot dog roaster, just in between. I've got one that will actually hold 3 hot dogs because we're serious about our hot dogs also. Slide that in there, holds nice and tight, and we'll just sit her down by the coals and toast it up. Nice and hot down there. You can see the chocolate chips are starting to melt. Getting a little bit of brown on those marshmallows. And it'll just take a few minutes to get the whole thing melted together in a delicious treat. Just make sure your chocolate's melted, your marshmallows are just right. The great thing is that the aluminum foil cools down pretty quickly in the air, but you're still going to want to be cautious as you're handling it. Okay, let's slowly open it up. Got a little burn on the bottom of the cone, but that's s'mores, correct? Let's give it a try. Marshmallows perfectly done. Chocolate is awesome. I hope that you'll try it. And I hope that you'll join us again at OSMEtv.